When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Tuesday, the 15th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama lapsing into a fairly typical summer weather pattern for the next 7 days or so. Tropics are active, and what about the weather on the solar eclipse day, Monday of next week? So we can answer all your questions. Here we go. There's the water vapor satellite view across the country, a maritime tropical air mass in place. The westerlies beginning to shift a little to the north. And again, that's going to set up some pretty routine summer weather for a while. Starting off the day in the 70s. High today should be in the upper 80s to near 90 in most spots. Here's a watch warning map. Pretty quiet morning. A few spots around the nation with fog issues. Otherwise quiet. Severe weather possible across the Great Plains today, but not here. We'll have scattered storms. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for cities like Kansas City and Des Moines. And on day 3, a marginal risk up north. And again, for us, scattered storms. Organized severe weather, no. Average rain for the next 7 days, 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, 1 to 2 inches for the south to spell it through Tuesday of next week. Hey, tropics getting active. We have Hurricane Gert, a wave in the central Atlantic, and a new wave coming off the coast of Africa. Gert is packing sustained winds of 75 miles an hour, minimal Category 1 hurricane passing between Bermuda and the U.S. East Coast. That will be scooting up into the North Atlantic late this week, becoming post-tropical. No threat to land. Here's the 5-day outlook, and you can see the guys have a pretty good possibility of Invest 91 developing. That's the central Atlantic system. And then the wave just coming off the coast of Africa with a lower chance over the next 5 days. Look at modeling on 91L, and boy, what a difference a day makes. Yesterday, this time, most models had it north of the leewards. Well, now the models have it coming right into the Caribbean, staying a low-latitude system. This is the GFS ensemble. Looks the same. And the European ensemble. You got a couple of members kind of drifted up toward the Gulf, but most of them bring it towards Central America or the Yucatan. So obviously some uncertainty here and always something to watch. Here's the intensity guidance on 91L. Most models ramp it up to a hurricane. One brings it up to in fact, a couple of them bring it up to a Category 3 in 5 days. So we'll keep a close eye on that, but it's way out there and way too early to know the final destination. So model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, troughing in the west. Down below that, down here, mix of sun and clouds, few scattered storms about this afternoon. Her model not especially bullish on the scattered storms. It's 4 o'clock, but it, like other models, it struggles with summer convection. Nobody knows now exactly when and where the storms form at 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's just an idea. Tomorrow, be up around 90, maybe low 90s in spots. Heat levels are kind of creeping up, and it looks like any showers tomorrow should be fairly widely scattered. This Thursday and this is Friday, pretty typical summer weather for these days. Partly sunny, scattered, mostly afternoon and evening storms. I'd say highs 89 to 92. For the weekend, not much change. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Trying to differentiate coverage of the scattered storms in advance in the summer is very hard to do. Small-scale differences in temperatures aloft, little mesoscale boundaries, thermal profiles makes all the difference in the world. And again, these are synoptic scale models that would not know that. So we'll broad brush the forecast with your classic summer formula. And this is Monday, Eclipse Day. No real change. We'll look at the cloud cover, and this is what everybody wants to see. And this is coming off the GFS. And if you are traveling to a point in the path of totality, note your spot, note the cloud cover. This will probably change. And I think for us, it'll be a typical summer day. We'll have a field of cumulus clouds. The eclipse for us about noon until 3. The peak comes about 1:30. And within that, there could be a shower or storm. They'll be random and scattered. And again, obviously, 6 days in advance. We have no idea where they will pop up or form, but I think it's a fairly typical summer day, meaning most should be able to view the eclipse. Of course, you know the deal. You've got to have the right glasses to do that. Here's a week from today, Tuesday the 22nd. Ridge here, troughing well to the north. And again, it's your classic summer setup. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 24th, troughing over the east, a surface boundary a little north of here. And again, for us, there's just not much change. It's that time of the year where the weather tends not to change a lot. And we note the GFS has a tropical system in the Bahamas. We'll go to the European on the same day. This is the 24th, Thursday of next week, and it's got a tropical system well east of the Bahamas. And whether that's Invest 91 or the new wave coming off the coast of Africa, we don't know that. And obviously, this is in the land of voodoo. Check the numbers coming off the GFS. Highs at or just over 90 for a while. Next 10 days or so, then dropping back toward the mid-80s late in the month, but no sign of any runaway heat. Upper 90s or triple digits. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.